Hi, welcome to my channel Ankuram, and this is Ananya. Today I am going to explain chapter Divisibility Test. What is this divisibility test? Means a number is divisible by 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. I can say with a short form, means if it's a big term, without dividing it, we can say that the number is divisible by 2 or 3 or 4 or like that. So coming to divisibility by 2, a number is divisible by 2 if its last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. If suppose a number is having 4, 6, 8, 2, 1. So without dividing the whole number, we can say this number is not divisible by 2. Why? Because the last digit is 1. If it's the last digit or the ones place digit, this is ones place, so either the last digit or the ones place digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, then the number should be divisible by 2. So let us take an example. Suppose let me take 5, 6, 8. So what is this? 8. So last digit is 8. Ones place digit is 8. So it will be divisible by 2. Let's check whether this number is divisible by 2 or not. 2 2s are 4. 16. 2 16. 2 4s are 8. So it's perfectly divisible by 2. So this number is divisible by 2. Now let me take a number, suppose 461. Now last digit is 1. So it will not be divisible by 2. Why? Because last digit should be either 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Then the number will be divisible by 2. Since it is not, so it will not be divisible by 2. Let's check. 2 2s are 4. Then coming 6. 2 3s are 6. Then coming 1. So it's not going. So 1 is the remainder. So this is not exactly divisible by 2. So we understood, if the ones place digit or the last digit of a number is either 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8, then the number will be divisible by 2. Or it is said, if the number is even, then the number is divisible by 2. Now coming to test of divisibility for 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. If I take a number, suppose 2, 4, 6 and 8. So suppose this is a number. After adding, if the number is divisible by 2, if the adding the digits means 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8. 6 plus 4 is 10 plus 8, 18, 19, 20. So 20 is not divisible by 3. If 20 is not divisible by 3, this number will also be not divisible by 3. Let us check whether this number will be divisible by 3 or not. 24. 6. Then coming 8. 3 are 2. 6. Remainder is 2. So this is not divisible by 3. Now let me take a number which is divisible by 3, 6, 3. So after adding, what it will be? 6, 3 plus 6 plus 3. What is this? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 is divisible by 3. Then this number should be divisible by 3. Let us check. 3 1s are 3, 6, 3 2s are 6, then 3, 3 1s are 3. There is no remainder. So a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. If I add all the digits of the number and that sum is divisible by 3, then the whole number will be divisible by 3. So without dividing, we can say, just by adding all the digits, we can say that number is divisible by 3 or not. Now coming to divisibility by 4. A number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by its last two digits, ones and tens, is divisible by 4 or the last two digits are 0. Suppose if I take a number 16. 16 is divisible by 4. So if I take a number, suppose 5, 6, 1, 6, then this number will also be divisible by 4. Or any number, suppose last two digits are 0. Suppose this is 5, 6, 0, 0. So this number will also be divisible by 4. These last two digits are 0. So let us check whether it is divisible by 4 or not. 4 ones are 4, then 16. 4 are 4, 16. Then 1 not going, 6. 4 4s are 16. So there is no remainder. So this is exactly divisible by 4. Let us check this one. 4. 4 ones are 4. Then 16. 4 4s are 16. And coming 0 not going. Then again one more 0. So this is also exactly divisible by 4. So we came to know a number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by its last two digits, ones and tens, is divisible by 4 or last two digits are 0. Here 0 0, these two digits are 0, so it is divisible by 4. Here last digits is 6, last two digits making a number that is 16. So this number is also divisible by 4. 0 6. 6 is not divisible by 4. So let us take a number 2006. So this number is not divisible by 4. So this whole number will also not be divisible by 4. 4 is a 5, 20. Then coming 0, not going. Then 6. 4 ones are 4. So 2 is the remainder here. So this is not divisible by 4. Now coming to divisibility of 5. A number is divisible by 5 if its last digit is either 0 or 5. A number having last digit is either 5 or 0. Suppose a number is 205. So last digit is 5, so it will be divisible by 5. Or a number, suppose 360. So last digit is 0. Then also this number will be divisible by 5. And if I take a number, suppose last digit is not either 0 or 5. Suppose this is 2. Last digit is 2. 682. Then this number will not be divisible by 5. Let's check whether this number is divisible by 5 or not. 5 is a 4, 20. So coming 5, 5 ones are 5. There is no remainder. So this is exactly divisible by 5. Now for this 5. 5 is a 6, 30. 5 is a 7, 35. So 10. 5 2s are 10. So this is also exactly divisible by 5. And for this 5 ones are 5. 1 8 18. 5 is a 3, 15. 18, 32, 5 is 6, 30, 2 is the remainder. Here 2 is the remainder. So this is not exactly divisible by 2, but sorry, not exactly divisible by 5. But here these two numbers are exactly divisible by 5. Divisibility by 6. A number is divisible by 6 if it's divisible by both 2 and 3. So a number will be divisible by 6 if it is divisible by both 2 and 3. And we know a number is divisible by 2 if the last digit of the number is either 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Then the number will be divisible by 2. And for 3, we need to add all the digits of the number. And if that number is divisible by 3, then the whole number is divisible by 3. So let me take a number 336. So last digit is 6. So it will be divisible by 2. And what is the, if I add all the digits, what is comes? 3 plus 3 plus 6, 12. So 12 is divisible by 3. So this number is divisible by 3 and 2. 2 and 3. So it will be divisible by 6. Let's check. 6 is a 5, 30. 6. 6 is a 6, 36. So this is exactly divisible by 6. Now if I take a number, suppose 3, 2, 1. So last digit is 1. So it is not divisible by 2. So it will not be divisible by 6. And here if I add all the digits, then what is this? 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is divisible by 3, but it is not divisible by 2. So this number will not be divisible by 6. 6 is 5, 30, 21, 3, 18. Remainder is, see here it is remainder. We have remainder. So it is not exactly divisible by 3. Now a number, if I take, suppose 3, 2, 2. Then this number, last digit is 2. So this number is divisible by 2. But if I add 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, this is not divisible by 3. So this number will also be not divisible by 6. 6 is 5, 30. Then 22. 6 is 3, 18. This is 4. So here it is, a remainder 4 is coming. A number is divisible by 8 if the number formed by its last 3 digits is divisible by 8 or the last 3 digits are 0. Just like 4. For 4 we need to take last 2 digits. If the last 2 digits forming the number is divisible by 4, then the whole number will be divisible by 4. Here we have to take last 3 digits. Suppose we are having 8, 8, 8. So this is divisible by 8, we know. So if this number is divisible by 8, we can have a number, say 6, 8, 8, 8, 8. Then this number will also be divisible by 8. If this number is divisible by 8, then this whole number will be also divisible by 8. And if last 3 digits are 0, then also this number will be divisible by 8. Let's check. 64. Then 48. So this is exactly divisible by 8. Now here 20, 2, 16, 40, it's a 5, it's a 5, 40. Now see, this number is also divisible by 8. So suppose if I take a number 0, 1, 8, 18 is not divisible by 8. So if I take a number 600, 6018, then this number will also be not divisible by 8. Let's check. 40, 1, 8, 18, and it's a 2, 16. Remainder is 2. See here, remainder is 2. So this is not divisible by 8. Since last 3 digit is not divisible by 8, so this whole number is not divisible by 8. Now coming to divisibility by 9. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 9. Just like 3, we need to add all the digits of the number. Suppose the number is 3, 6, 9. A number that is 3, 6 and 9. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 9, then this is, suppose what is the sum of the digits? 3 plus 6 plus 9. So what is that? 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 plus 9, 18. So 18 is divisible by 9. So this number will be also divisible by 9. Let us check. 9 is 4, 36. So coming 9, 9 ones are 9. There is no remainder. Now if I take a number, suppose whose 9, 3, 2. So after adding, what it is coming? 9 plus 3 plus 2. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. This is 14. So 14 is not divisible by 9. So this number will not be divisible by 9. Let's check. 9 ones are 9. So coming 3, not going 0, 32, it is 7. This is 5. So this is not divisible by 9. So a number is divisible by 9 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 9. That's clear. Now coming to 10, a number is divisible by 10 if its last digit is 0. Any number having last digit is 0. Suppose this is 26080. So if the last digit is 0, then that number will be divisible by 10. Let us check. 2, 20, then 60, 10 the 6, 60, coming 8, not going 0, then 80, 10 8 the 80. There is no remainder. So if I take a number whose last digit is 0, then the whole number will be divisible by 10. Now coming to 11. A number is divisible by 11 if the difference between the sum of the digits at even places and sum of the digits at odd places counting from right is either 0 or multiple of 11. So a number, if I take a number 2, 3, 6, 4, 5, counting from right side, I have to add all the digits at the odd places and all the digits at the even places. So what is this? 5 plus 6 plus 2. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. This is 13. And this is 3 plus 2. What is this? 5. If the difference between these two digits means 13 minus 5 should be either 0 or multiple of 11, then the number is here. You see, the number will not be divisible by 11 since 13 minus 5 is 8. So this number will not be divisible by 11. 11s are 2, 22, then 16. 11s are 2, 22, then 16. 11 ones are 11, then 52. 11s are 4, 44. 8, 85. So 11s are 7, 77. This is 8. So here remainder is 8. This is not divisible by 11. Let us take a number. Let's take a number 2728. Suppose a number 2728. So if I add these two values and these two values, what is this? 7 plus 8, 15, and 2 plus 2 is 4. If I subtract these two, what it is coming? 11. So since it is coming 11, so this number will be divisible by 11. Let's check. 11s are 2, 22. 4, 44. 8, 88. 11s are 8, 88. There is no remainder. Here the number is divisible by 11. So we understood a number is divisible by 11 if the difference between the sum of the digits at even places, here the even places 2 plus 2 is 4, and the sum of the digits as odd places, here odd places means 8 plus 7 is 15. Counting from right, this counting from right side is either 0 or multiple. The difference is either 0 or multiple of 11, then this number is divisible by 11. So this is all about our test of divisibility. Thank you.